Hello YouTube, this is John. This video I'm going to quickly show you how to connect your LG smart TV, and this would work on other smart TVs. So I want to connect to YouTube, but I get this error. It asks me to connect to a network. Check your network connection. I'm going to go to network settings, and I'll go direct to the network settings. But in your case, if you are on the main menu like this one here, you can go ahead and go up to settings. Then when you go to settings, it will still take you to, you'll get the options down here, all settings, as you can see. So when you go there, it will take you to this option, and then you have to go to networks. So I'm going to go to networks, then I'll click on it, then I'll click the arrow to go to this side, then I'll scroll down, then I'll go to Wi-Fi connections, then I'll click OK. So when I click OK, it will go ahead and search for the available networks. I have the unlimited 4G, the one you see there. Then I'll click up, then I'll click connect. Then I'm going to pause the video, then I input the password, then I'll come back and connect again. So I've input the password. Then the next thing you do, you click back, then back will remove the keyboard, then you click down and say connect. Then to scroll, to bring a progress bar, then to connect. Then after here, you click back again. Then you can see and click retry again. And when you retry, you have to make sure you have internet on your network, the Wi-Fi network you have connected to, and this would work very well. So let me wait for it to load. So now we are connected. So I'm going to click back. Then this will bring me the search options, and you can always click the yellow icon to search. This one, the yellow one. So I'm going to search for my channel, and it is shown here in the recent, but you can use the keyboard to type. So this is how you connect your smart TV to a Wi-Fi network, and this is an LG smart TV. It's a 55-inch, maybe, I guess. So I'm searching for my channel. As you can see, it has been in the recent search results. Let me wait for it to load. My internet is a bit slow, and this will bring my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified if I upload useful video like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.